This is one of the new custom model engines I made a couple of weeks ago, and today I checked the current subscribers I have. So we have 20,551 subscribers. Thank you guys very much for that. And I'm thinking that since you guys are subscribing really fast, like 50 subscribers a day, that's really awesome. So I'm thinking of giving away this model engine, and here's how this thing is going to work. You need to be subscribed. Make sure you activate the notifications bell, otherwise you will never know if you win the model engine. And I'm trying to do this so everybody can have an opportunity to win this model engine, and what I mean is anybody around the world. And to do that, unfortunately, if you win out of the country or here in the US, you gotta pay shipping. I already posted several times how much shipping is. I'm gonna try to do it again real quick. For US is $5, and Canada right now it's increased rate by the post office. It's $20 and some cents. For the rest of the world is between $24 to $28. So if you agree and want to enter, you can leave a comment below on this video, and you have only 24 hours from the day this has been posted. That means today is January 8th, and the video is live at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So you gotta do one comment only. If you put 2 or 3 comments, I will delete your comments. It's only one entry. Now, since this is gonna be 24 hours that you have a chance and opportunity to win this model engine, this will end, the entries will end on January 9th at 3 p.m. and then after that, the next day, I will try to make a draw and pick one of the lucky winners of this model engine. So you know the drill, and you know how this thing works. Then after you are confirmed winner, you will contact me on Facebook, send me a message, I'm the winner, provide your email and your channel name on YouTube. So once I get your email, I'm gonna send you the invoice, so that way you can pay for the shipping only. And that's pretty much it. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, activate the notifications bell, and see you the next video. Thank you. Bye.